A new study assessing Uganda's financial industry notes that international banks account for a massive 72.5% market share, leaving only 27.5% of the customer deposits taken by local banks, reinforcing associated threats of capital flight out of the struggling economy.
You have a huge risk of what we call repatriation. So if you look at the analysis of Ugandan banking industry, unlike in Kenya, in Uganda, almost few banks, you would say maybe less than 30% of the banks, they are controlling 80% of the profits after tax. So that means that profit after tax is their profit possible available for repatriation.
The report also indicates that in 2018, the banking industry continued to struggle with converting assets into income as the condition continues to worsen, recording a more than 3.7% decrease in operational efficiency.
All banks are required by the Financial Institutions Act to publish their annual reports, but you'll find that they are publishing only two statements, the statement of financial performance and the statement of financial position. But you know that a banking report should be so comprehensive, including looking at the portfolio at risk. So it's so difficult to look at the information about banks in terms of their portfolio. Where is it concentrated? Why is it concentrated there? What is their business model? This information is not available.
Customer deposits at 7.8% are increasing faster than the amount of money disbursed as loans at 5.6%, yet banks are still tightening controls on their credit risk policies, which is seeing less growth of assets being disbursed out for interest year on end, according to the study.
Now, you remember also banks pay on fixed deposits 10% on average. So this means that potentially banks have a profit margin of 10%. But now you look at the capital banks invest, you find the bank has a balance sheet of more than, for example, 100 billion. Now 100 billion, you're having just a return of 10%, even small. It means that maybe even investing in a bank may not be a very profitable business venture.
Reina Ojon, NTV Business.